Do you have an old iPhone? And if yes, then go ahead and do this immediately. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and I will take you through a few changes that you can do in order to keep your iPhone up to date. So go ahead and open settings on your device and tap on general and then on software update, and further go ahead and install the latest available update. And even if your iPhone cannot install the newest iOS, Apple sometimes releases security updates for older version too. Also, go back to settings and tap on battery and then on battery health and charging. And if maximum capacity in here is below 80%, then you can consider replacing the battery. Battery replacement often makes an old iPhone feel much better, as a weak battery can make older iPhones slow and unstable. Next, go back to settings again and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here you can go ahead and delete unused apps and remove large videos or photos and enable offload unused apps option you see there, as low storage can cause lag and app crashes. Make sure to keep at least 5 to 10 GB free for smooth performance. Next, in settings again tap on general and then on background app refresh, and further go ahead and disable the option for background app refresh, or you can simply allow it for only important apps, as background activity drains battery and slows older devices. Next, go back to settings and tap on battery and then enable low power mode, as low power mode reduces background activity and helps older iPhones run smoother. Also, you can simply try to restart your iPhone regularly, as restarting clears memory and can fix many performance issues. Try restarting every once a few days. So these were a few ways on how you can keep your iPhone smooth and run smooth. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.